Hey, hello everybody, and welcome to WorldTVOnDemand.com. So I've been talking a little bit about my JVC camera that I got here. I'll put a link to the other video if you want to see about my pawn shop find. You can find these video cameras at the pawn shops and stuff for way less than what you're going to buy them at the store and stuff. When I bought this one from the pawn shop, it didn't have much stuff with it. And one thing I found out about it is it has remote control capability, but it didn't have a remote. So I ordered one. So let's see what it looks like. Look at that. I'll do a close-up here in a minute. It must come with a new battery because it's got a little tab here to pull out. It was $6 for the remote for the JVC camera. So I'm going to pull this tab out. Nothing happened. Now I'm going to turn this camera on. I'm going to see if anything happens here. Please insert a memory card. Ha! It's in the computer, so I have to go get it. See, now normally I would just hit the pause or the stop button on the remote and stop the video, but now I got to crop this part out, so that's one reason you need a remote control. So now what I found out about the remote is you got to have the camera pointed towards you and use the remote. So when you push like a snapshot, it takes a snapshot. This is pretty cool. You push the record button. Let's see. Oh, the start/stop button is going to record it. Started it just fine. And stopped it. That's cool. So that's the main things. Let's see, zoom. Oh yeah, the zoom works. This is going to be nice. I'm going to demonstrate a little bit more in a minute. I'm going to bring that camera over here and show you how this is working. So now I got both cameras running. I'm going to take a snapshot with this one. I'm going to hit the snapshot button right here. Right here on the top. See that? It had a little blink thing there. And now this one right here, up in this top right hand corner, is a start and stop button. So you point it and it starts recording just like that. See, it says recording there. And hit it again and it stops. So that's going to be pretty neat. And it's got the zoom in and zoom out. Wow. That's going to be nice. It's going to be nice. So now I'm going to use that camera to finish up this video. I ordered this remote. I took a chance on it for $6 that it was going to work or not work. It works pretty good, I gotta say. So, and then my Sony Handycam, I know the volume is a little bit different when I go from one camera to the other, but that's what you got when you switch around cameras, unless you use an audio device to record all your audio and then you put it in afterwards. But anyway, I digress. So I picked up the camera, pretty reasonable, at the pawn shop. I'll put a link above the video on that video. And I ordered this little remote for $6 off of eBay, free shipping. How can you beat that? And the thing is going to work great. So I'm loving it. I'm going to make some great videos with this for you. So, oh, and I ordered new batteries and a battery charger that's coming later on, probably tomorrow. If it does, I may do an open box on that. But this is the remote that goes with the JVC camera. Pick up your good camera at the pawn shop. If it's missing components, get on eBay and order the parts. And I wish you all the luck in the world, but it don't take real expensive equipment to do videos. So this is Harold with WorldTVOnDemand.com. Give me a thumbs up and subscribe to the video and ring the bell. And I got tons of videos for you to watch, over 900 videos. So you guys have a great day, and I'll have another video for you soon. This is Harold talking to you later. Yeah. This Zoom. Zoom. Whoa. Bye now.